This is how you can copy from a PDF as a full citation using author and reader. Copy from a PDF and reader and paste in author, where you can see it as a full citation, not just plain text. When exporting your finished document to PDF, as well as a cover page and automatic table of contents, you get an automatically generated reference section. This is a normal PDF which can be read in any PDF viewer. However, if you open it in Reader, you can do more. Click on the in-body citation, indicated by a number in hard brackets, to see the full reference information. Click on the title to load the document if available on your machine. If the cited document is not available on your local machine, then the download page will load. To enable the ability to copy as a citation, the PDF document will need to have metadata specifying the title, author name, and so on. This is in an appendix called Visual Meta. If the document did not have Visual Meta, Reader will attempt to add it when first opening the document. If the document has a DOI on the first page, Reader will turn it into Visual Meta automatically. In cases where there is no DOI on the first page of the document, you can download the PDF and then copy the DOI from the download page. Then go to Reader, choose Tools and Apply DOI, and Reader will create Visual Meta that way. I would like to show you one more thing. I select text and do Command-Shift-C, then paste into author. The selected text is not visibly pasted, only the citation information. When I export and open in Reader and click on the citation, the selected text appears as a hidden quote. In summary, you can copy as a citation from pretty much any academic document. The metadata required is automatically added when possible and easily manually if required. Readers can view your PDF in any PDF viewer, and they get more options when using Reader, including click to see the reference information and click to open the source document if available, which is likely if you're writing for someone in the same academic field as you. I hope this will save you time. Thank you for having a look.